Okay, welcome back. So today we'll try to know something about how we can build strong logic while writing programming. It can be applicable to Salesforce, Apex programming, Salesforce LWC, JavaScript or TypeScript programming. It can be applicable to any other programming like Java, .NET, any other programming, because programming logic building is same across whatever technology, whatever programming language you are using, all are same. Okay, so I will try to point out 6 7 points today which will help you, okay, building a strong programming logic, or it will make you become a good developer. So I'll share a small experience with you. Since last 15 years, I am working as a Salesforce developer. In this 15 year, everything got changed except Apex. Apex was there 15 year back. Today also it is there. Maybe some small changes. Uh, it will be there definitely. With the time, it will change little bit, but still the same Apex programming. If someone was Apex programmer in 15 year back, still he's the same Apex programmer. He can write the same Apex code because the things are not changing. Other things like Visual Force get changed to Aura, LWC, integration got changed to coding based integration to non coding based integration. Your UI get changed from classic to lightning, but still that Apex programming is still there as it is. Okay, so there is a huge demand of programmers in the world. So now many people they are posting comment what is the future of Salesforce developers and all. I am telling you, if you are a programmer, whatever may be the generative AI, anything is there in the way, still your demand will be there and you can ask always higher price for that. Okay, so that means if you are a good programmer, you can always at the upper edge to ask higher price. Okay, what are all those things you can do to become a good programmer or good developer? I have attended in this 15 year, I have attended so many interviews, including Google interviews, which I was attending for 3 months. There is a video in this channel. You can see that. Which every round is a knockout round. Any round you get reject, you are rejected. So that from that experience perspective, I'll share you. Okay, what things you will do so that any company you can appear and you can clear the interview and become a good developer. Okay. Okay. First thing is fundamental theory. Fundamental theory means, for example, Apex is an object-oriented programming language. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Nowadays, the developers are coming directly, starting writing code, trigger, batch job, and all those things. But object-oriented programming language, first thing you are supposed to learn the object-oriented programming concept, like inheritance, polymorphism, your method overloading, method overriding, encapsulation, and all those things. For that also there is a video in this channel. Please check on that. Okay, do a strong fundamental concept clear approach. Okay. Okay. Second thing is write down in a paper. Don't write in a laptop and all. As much as you write in paper, your background will become that strong, programming background. Okay, so write down in a paper the steps, the process, and very important thing, the algorithm, which nowadays developers are not doing. Algorithm process like sorting, searching, merging. Okay, these are the things when you go for a bigger companies interview like Google interview, Amazon interview. These are the key things they will ask you: sorting, searching, merging. What is the complexity, big O complexity, and all those things. Very important. These things, if you are very clear, you will definitely become a good developer. Third thing, patience in learning and problem solving. Patience in learning means, first thing is, every day new things are coming. You need to have patience to learn new things, to learn new things, do new things. Okay, and problem solving approach. Let's say you got a problem, how you can solve that, how you can break the problem, and how you can approach for that problem. That is called problem solving. For example, I'll give you, let's say you got a requirement, then you need to analyze how many class I need to create, what are the class I need to create a diagram, then what are the interface I required for this, how the interface will connect with the classes. All those things need to be very crystal clear so that you can write good programming. Okay. Then regular practice and dry run. What is dry run? Um, Dry run means without a computer you can run your code step by step. Okay, just thinking, okay, how this for loop is running. If first time this for loop running, what is the I value, what is the j value. If the second time the for loop is running, then what is the I value, what is the j value, what is the other variable you define, what is their value. That is called dry run. Practice as much as dry run. If you are a good dry run specialist, your debugging skill will become very sharp and you will definitely become a good developer. um, Okay, numerous practice problem means mathematical problem. Try to solve much, bigger side of mathematical problem. What are those problems? Like how to write a program or logic for Fibonacci series, how to write logic for prime number, how to write logic for array sorting, how to write logic for matrix multiplication. All those are numerical problem. Try to solve that using your algorithm. That will sharpen your logic building skill. The next point is, okay, if you got a big problem or a complex problem, then at that time the best thing is to break that problem into smaller part, so that, let's say you broken one problem into six smaller part. Maybe five of the things you are able to do, only one side you are not able to do, you can take help of others and do. But if you will try to solve the problem at once, then you will have a fear that that the part 6 you don't know, so there itself you will stop learning the things. So try to break the problem into smaller part, solve each smaller part individually, then connect it, then build a bigger problem. Okay, those are the things generally we do in designing. Okay, how we can do top down approach or bottom up approach, like that. Okay, the last one I would try to say that, uh, do not try to remember in this programming world. Don't try to remember what is the algorithm for prime number, what the algorithm for binary search. Try to always understand, because in this world there are thousands of problems, there are lakhs of problems, there are millions of problems. How many problems you will remember? Okay, better uh, if you have understanding any problem coming in your way, let's say you have solved a similar problem, or something related to that, a new problem is coming on the similar line, you can solve it very easily. So do not try to remember anything. Okay, follow these things every day. Give 1 hour for yourself apart from your office work and all. Give 1 hour for yourself every day. Make a practice of it. Do some writing, pen and paper writing of your code. Definitely you will become a good developer. And if you get any advantages, put a comment on my comment box. I'll be happy to hear from you if you have followed my approach and you got success. Okay, there are so many people, they followed my Google interview process, and they cleared. They sometimes they used to message me. I used to be, though I have not done anything in their job interview and all, but if they say that, okay, by looking into your video I have done a great thing in Google interview, I am getting very happy. Okay.